Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a video about my favorite perfumes in different sweet categories. The vanilla, bubblegum, strawberry and caramel categories. So if you want to find out what perfumes I recommend, then let's get started. So first let's talk about the bubblegum perfumes. Usually I use a lot of vanilla and strawberry perfumes, but recently I really got into bubblegum. So that is what I want to recommend you first. First thing in the bubblegum section is Snow Fairy Body Spray from Lush, and that is just such a classic. This is a limited edition for winter, so I'm thinking you might still be able to get it if you purchase it now. So this is a body spray with the scent of cotton candy. Lush also has hand soap, body conditioner, shower gel in the same scent, so you can collect all of the things. I have the hand soap and the body conditioner in the same collection, and this is such a beautiful scent, very sweet, smells like bubblegum and cotton candy, and I love using this. First, this comes in this huge 6.7 fluid ounce tub, so this will last you for ages. This is a little bit pricey for a body mist, but considering how much you get and how well this actually lasts compared to other body mists, this is definitely a very good investment if you are into this scent. And this is just a fan favorite. I think everybody who likes Lush definitely knows the scent, and if you are into sweet cotton candy bubblegum fragrances, I really recommend checking this out, specifically now because you still might be able to get this, so definitely check out Snow Fairy. And my second recommendation for the bubblegum section is going to be Moschino Toy 2 Bubblegum. This is my most recent perfume purchase, and I absolutely love this perfume, not only because it has the most adorable pink packaging, but also because this scent is just amazing. So the scent notes for this perfume are candied fruits, bitter orange, lemon, bubblegum, Bulgarian rose, blueberry, peach, cinnamon, peach blossom, ginger, musk, ambroxan and cedar. Mainly this is a very fruity, sweet kind of fragrance, and of course the bubblegum note is the most prominent one. On the initial spray you just get up the straight bubblegum hubba bubba kind of smell, but when it dries down it doesn't have such a bright bubblegum note anymore, but it still smells like fruits and candies. So this is 100% a fruity sweet perfume, but I love this one so much, and it does last pretty good. It doesn't last for an entire day. You do have to refresh this, especially if you want to smell like that bubblegum, which is the initial top note. But if you keep using this throughout the day, maybe you'll have to reapply it twice or 3 times a day. But I think on me this lasts for about 3 to 4 hours, which I think is pretty good considering this is eau de toilette, not a perfume. I absolutely love this perfume, and I think that it's definitely worth checking it out. So that's all for my bubblegum recommendations, and now let's talk about strawberry. If you watched any of my Bath & Body Works videos, you know that my all-time favorite body mist is Sweet Escape Strawberry Picnic from Bath & Body Works. This is a very old collection. You cannot get this anymore, but you can find this on Mercari and places like that, so people still resell this. So if you are looking for this, it's still possible to find it. I have 2 bottles of this because this is just something that I cannot run out of. And this is just the sweetest, very fresh strawberry kind of note that has a little bit of that candied fruit smell to it. Very sweet. I get so many compliments when I wear this. This is probably my #1 favorite fragrance out of everything that I have, which says a lot. If you think of like very juicy, very sweet strawberry, something that you will smell in the summertime, this is exactly what this reminds me of. I just cannot live without this scent. This is my signature scent, I think, and you have to check this out if you love strawberries. This would be the best thing that I can recommend at the moment. Now my second favorite from Bath & Body Works would be Strawberry Soda, which is something that came out last summer, I believe, so hopefully they will bring it back this summer again. And this smells exactly like strawberry soda. This is very different from Sweet Escape. Sweet Escape is, again, as I said, smells like fresh strawberries, and this one smells like soda. So if you open up a can of soda with strawberry flavor, this is exactly what it smells like. It's a little more bubbly, a little more fizzy. I have used quite a lot of it last summer. This is definitely a spring summer scent only. I do not use this any other time because it's just strawberries are something that I reserve for the summertime, and I think that if you can get your hands on this, this would be a really good choice. And by the way, the fragrance notes here are fresh strawberries, bubbly seltzer, and crushed ice. Now another thing that I want to recommend in the strawberry section as well is something that I don't have the actual body mist of, but I do have the shower gel and the body cream, and that is the Body Shop strawberry line. So the Body Shop is a great brand that has a lot of vanilla and strawberry and almond kind of scents, so you can find anything that will work for you, but I specifically like the strawberry line that they have, and they have shower gels, hand creams, hand soaps, and specifically their body butters are the best. And of course they do have the mist as well, which is something that I really want to get, and it is really inexpensive. I think you can get a 3-ounce body mist for about $14, which is a pretty good price. That one smells like very fresh, sweet, juicy, fruity strawberry. Nothing else. I think that's the only note that there is, if I'm not mistaken. You can collect the whole line and start from your shower gel to the body cream to the body mist, so you smell like the most amazing fresh strawberries. So I definitely recommend checking out the Body Shop strawberry line as well. Alright, so now let's move on to the vanilla section, which is of course one of my favorites. I love everything vanilla. The first thing that I absolutely have to recommend is this. This is Eau de Toilette by Outremer Paris, and this is just called Vanille. You can get this at Anthropologie. You can find this at the stores and online, and this comes in the 1.6 fluid ounce, and I think it also comes in the smaller bottle. This is extremely inexpensive. This bottle is around $15, $20, something like that, and I am just in love with this scent. This is, I think, the most purest vanilla extract kind of scent that you can find. This does have cotton candy note in it, and just overall it smells like a baked vanilla cupcake or vanilla cream puff or something like that. Very, very sweet. Very sweet, so make sure that you like those kind of scents. But even though this is extremely sweet, it's actually not headache confusing, which is something that I'm always afraid of with sweet scents, that it can make you feel sick or nauseous. This doesn't happen with this one at all, and this is an absolute head turner. I used this a lot when I was in Florida, and everybody was complimenting me, my family members, people in the restaurant, even just people walking around the Disney World stopped me and asked me what kind of perfume that I'm wearing, because this is just this good. And it's a very simple perfume. It doesn't have a ton of notes, but it's just so sweet, and we all know that men love vanilla notes, a lot of women love vanilla notes, so that's why I think everybody likes this so much. And to me it just smells like vanilla extract that you would use for cooking. So I absolutely recommend this. Very good lasting quality, especially for the price. You cannot find anything better than this. I also quickly want to mention two very obvious choices for vanilla favorites. This is Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret and Vanilla Bean Noel from Bath & Body Works. I think there's no person that doesn't know what this is, and of course Bare Vanilla, it has the notes of whipped vanilla, soft cashmere, a very beautiful vanilla fragrance that does have that softer, maybe more creamier note because of the cashmere, but absolutely stunning fragrance. And of course Vanilla Bean Noel, such a classic. This has the notes of fresh vanilla beans, sugar cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. And of course we love this one. This is super sweet, very bakery like vanilla scent, but it doesn't last long, we all know that. But I think still these are definitely worth getting if you love the vanilla perfume. That's all for my vanilla recommendations, and now let's talk a little bit about caramel, which is something that I have the least amount of perfumes of, and the only thing that I absolutely have to recommend is, of course, the good old Prada Candy. And the notes for this perfume are caramel, musk, powdery notes, benzoin, and vanilla, so very simple profile, but this is a very stunning, very beautiful powdery caramel perfume. Keep in mind that this is more powdery rather than maybe bakery kind of scent. So if you are looking for something super gourmand, something that will smell like a cake or caramel candy, it does smell like that, but you do get that powdery note, and I absolutely love that. So to me that's not a problem at all. But if you're not a huge fan of powdery notes, then maybe check this out before you get it if you were thinking of trying this. But you can find this perfume in any stores, so you can definitely check it out and test it before you purchase it. But this is such a classic. This has been around for years. I've been using this for a really long time, as you can see, so I stand by this perfume and I absolutely love it as well. So yeah, you guys, I think these are my main favorites in the sweet category. I believe and stand by every single perfume or fragrance mist that I showed today. So let me know what you guys think about the things that I showed today, if you have tried any of them, and if you have any other recommendations for the categories that I talked about. So I would love to hear your recommendations in the comment section below. So I hope that this video was helpful and that you could learn something new and find maybe some new inspiration for yourself. And yeah, thank you so much as always for watching this video and supporting my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.